some stuff from Movie's Market, which this stuff looks so crazy. Real fruits, they're like kiwi gummies.
Here's a gummy.
Are you ready? I like it.
You ready?
We got it?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh.
You look like this one.
Oh. You try it first. You try it first. Is that really good?
Mm-hmm.
There's all types of flavors. We got strawberry.
Right. Mm. Looks so freaking delicious. Big 10 out of 10. Alright, next we're gonna do the ramen. This is hot chicken carbo.
There's a lot of stuff. A lot of water to be careful. Next, we're gonna try the jackfruit, which smells literally disgusting.
It does smell really bad. Hey, cheers.
Okay, that's all for we have today. So bye.